This is the type of cold that you wake up, step out the door, and your face turns red like a tomato because it's just that cold and it kind of hits you in the face. Poorhouse Road, right here, I know the horse farm and sow farm is right around this area as well. And so we see that rotation right along here as we head towards the evening into the overnight. So nobody's escaping these rain showers this afternoon into the evening. Pontotoc, you're really needing the umbrella right now. You're dealing with a bit of a downpour over there. Tomorrow, though, we're on the warm-up finally. 62 in Aberdeen, 64 in Columbus, here in Starkville at 63.
Joining me now is meteorologist Jacob, and I feel like it's just been so hot, but then there's afternoon storms. Are we going to get a break from either?
It's tough to say. Right now, it looks like we're going to get some more afternoon showers. Luckily, though, they're going to be not as widespread as yesterday, so maybe it's more of a chance to be outside. The heat advisory goes until 8 p.m. tonight, so if you're outside, bring lots of water and try and take some breaks inside. The heat continues across Middle Tennessee. We've got a heat advisory for everyone west of the plateau until Friday at 8 p.m. And so it's just not going anywhere. This is for feels like temperatures 105 degrees plus. We do have an extreme heat warning out to our west. That is going to be replaced by the heat advisory tomorrow, but it's just going to be hot for everyone, keeping up the trend that we've had the past several days. Here in Nashville, 90 degrees. It is dry outside, but man, is it hot. If you are looking elsewhere across the board, we've got triple digits out to the west for our feels like temperatures. It just knocked down to 98 in Hopkinsville, but man, it is hot and it's almost 7 o'clock here this evening. Our high today was 94. Once again, keeping up the trend of 90-degree days, but 10 degrees short of the average. So we actually have been much hotter than we are today, believe it or not. But we are at 23 consecutive days of 90-degree weather. 34 is our record set back all the way in 2007. And I think we could get close to breaking that with the 7-day forecast I'll show you in a second. But we have a dry radar right now, and why do we have that? Because we've got a high pressure sitting around the Tennessee and North Carolina border. That's keeping us dry. It's also keeping us very, very hot because it's dominating the atmosphere right now. But that means, since it'll be dry, it'll be a great night for some baseball. 91 degrees at first pitch, mid-80s. Once again, it's going to be dry, very hot, but it's perfect summertime baseball weather. Grab yourself a hot dog, bring some water, and then it will be a good evening for you if you're heading out to the game. 79 tomorrow morning, but again, we're starting our days out in the upper 70s. That's how hot, that's how humid it is. 90 degrees by lunchtime, and then look at this, 96 is your high, dangerous heat. Please stay inside if you can. If you have to do anything outside, bring lots of water and try and take breaks in the AC because it is just going to be another hot day once again. We start off dry tomorrow, but then like clockwork, this is around 12:30, your lunchtime hour, these storms pop up, and then heading towards later in the afternoon and evening, this is 6 o'clock Friday, they start to dissipate. So expect 15 minutes of rain, 30 minutes of rain, but then they go away. So it's not going to be a washout, and then by 1 p.m. on Saturday, we see these storms pop up once again across our area. By Saturday evening, they're out of our hair. So we are not expecting a washout over the next several days, but what we can expect is these temperatures reaching the upper 90s. 99 on Tuesday, 99 on Wednesday. And again, those feels like temperatures are going to be 105 plus. Rain, don't bet on it to cool you off because we only got a low chance of rain, but maybe fingers crossed you get one of those isolated thunderstorms that could cool you off just a little bit. But man, it is going to be hot. Nashville is 10 inches above rainfall this year, so hopefully that trend can continue over the next several days and cool us off a bit. 5th wettest year on record. In Clarksville, you are the wettest year on record. But those only go back to 2001, so we don't have as much of a data pool with it. But I mean, it just shows that it has been a rainy year across the board. Once again, the weather alert for tomorrow, 96 degrees is your high. Rain, best chance this weekend. 95 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday, and then the temperatures heat on up once again. 99 on Tuesday, 99 on Wednesday. But fingers crossed, Thursday looks like it could cool us down a bit and 40% chance of rain.